If you are looking for how to auto capitalize the first letter in Excel, then keep watching the video. And here are the simplest and best ways to auto capitalize the first letter in Excel with 4 ways, depending on what you need. So the first method is the flash fill. You just need to type first letter, for example, Imran and Khan, and hit enter, and then press Ctrl E to flash fill. And the second method is to use the proper function. So put the equal sign, write proper, open the bracket and select the cells and close the bracket, hit enter. And here you can see that. So use the fill handle to make other names capitalize. The third method is the BI query. For this, you need to select the range of the data and then go to the data and go to the from table and range. Click OK. A new Power Query editor will be open, and then go to the transform and go to the format, and here you will see that capitalize each word, and here you can see that the first word is capitalized, and go to the home, go to the close and load, go to the close and load. The data will be open in the new tab. Just select it, Control C, and go to the your tab, Control V or a paste special and values, and here you can see that. So in the fourth method, if you want to only first letter capitalize, then you need to put this formula, put the equal sign, type upper function and open the bracket, type left and open the bracket, select the cells, comma, type 1, close the bracket, close the upper function and give the space bar, put the ampersand, give the space, type lower and open the bracket, type mid, open the bracket and select the cell, comma, type 2, comma, type length, which is the length, open the bracket and select the cells and close the formula with 3 times bracket and hit enter. And here you can see that only the first letter is capitalized, and drag it, and here all the other names are first letter is capitalized. So with these 4 methods, you can easily auto capitalize first letter in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.